On this short quick video guys, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix TikTok not working or not loading. So the first way is open the settings, open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds, it will start loading the apps like this as you can see, and after that just scroll until you find TikTok, click on it, click on force stop, and then click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back again and now click on the power usage details, click on the app launch and enable the manage automatically option. Make sure also that all those options here are enabled and click OK. That's the first way. The second way is go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 8 seconds or 9 seconds and disable it again, and that's it. So that's the second way. The third way is you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for TikTok and update it. And that's it guys, the problem must be solved after all those ways. If it's not yet solved, then you have one last thing to do is just remove TikTok from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.